Hello children, welcome to your English literature class. Today we will revise lesson number 2, unit 9, the magic porridge pot. So let's start with meanings. Children, you have to repeat after me. Magic, having special powers. Cook, to prepare food. Porridge, food made by boiling cereals in milk or water. Spilling, flowing out of a vessel. Followed, came after. Whole, complete. Village, a small town in the countryside. Children, write down these meanings in your English revision book and learn. Tick the correct option and fill in the blanks. First, Tara lived with her dash grandmother, father, mother, or sister. And the correct answer is mother. Second, one day Tara went to a forest. Third, the pot cooked porridge when Tara said, "Cook, pot, cook." Fourth, the pot kept cooking till Tara said, "Stop, pot, stop." Answer the following questions. Children, you have to repeat answers after me. Where did Tara go one day? One day, Tara went to a forest. Second, what did the old woman give Tara? The old woman gave Tara a magic pot. Children, I hope you are repeating after me. Third, what did the magic pot cook? The magic pot cooked porridge. Fourth, what were the magical words for starting and stopping the magic pot from cooking porridge? And the answer is cook pot cook and stop pot stop. Were the magical words for starting and stopping the pot. Fifth, who said to not cook pot? Tara's mother said do not cook pot. Sixth, what did the villagers do when they saw porridge everywhere? When the villagers saw porridge everywhere, they ran to eat the porridge. 7. Why was there so much porridge on the road? Because the pot went on cooking and started spilling on the floor. The mother ran out of the house and the porridge followed her. Children, write down these question answers again in your English notebook and revise. Learn all these question answers. Fill in the blanks with before or after. First, raise your hand dash you answer a question. Before, raise your hand before you answer a question. Second, in the English alphabet, C comes after B. Third, he washes his hands before meals. Fourth, brush your teeth before going to bed. Fifth, I play football after school. Children, read these sentences and understand when we use before and when we use after. Fill in the blanks with a, and, or the. Children, I have already taught you this topic in our grammar. So, I hope you all have understood and remember the concept. Surbhi's grandmother is sick. She takes her to a doctor. Here we are talking about doctor for the first time. So we use article A. The doctor gives her grandmother a few medicines and an injection. She brings her back home. She takes care of her. She gives her all the medicines and meals at proper time. She takes her out for a walk in the morning and in the evening as well. Look, her grandmother is well now. Grandmother gave Surbhi an umbrella as a gift. She says, "You are a sweet and caring girl." Children, that's all for today's class. Prepare well for your exam. Goodbye.